If you're a beginner trader or just a trader who is not seeing the light, you are confused every time you get to the market, only get the losing trades, and you don't know what to do, this video is for you. We are going to look at one specific setup that will set the foundation for the rest of your trading career. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. So this is the failed breakout pattern. Now, the process is simple. First things first, you need to choose a session. So whether it's Asia, London, or New York, it doesn't matter. It works across all sessions. And we have a specific timing window in every session. So in Asia, the trading window is between 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. New York time. The London session is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and the New York session is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now, we are looking for a breakout. So you draw the high and the low of that day, depending on the session that you are in. So that means that is the highest point the price has reached before the trading window. And then you look for a breakout on the 15-minute time frame. And then, of course, once you get your breakout, look for the M and W patterns and the entry criteria. Now, this is not a perfect setup. It will be profitable in the long run, but you will have to take many trades. You're a beginner. Take many trades and learn from the winners that you take. So let's look at a couple of examples. So let's start with gold. I was just backtesting it. Right, we have this one here, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and then we draw our high of the day. So that is the high of the day before our window opens. And then you can see we have a breakout at 2 a.m. So at 2 a.m. we go to the 1 minute time frame and start looking for our reversal pattern. So at 2 a.m. so the breakout happens here. We have this pump to the high, and then we have our W pattern with a break in structure, retest, and then an engulfment candle at 2:30. So let's go slowly. We'll use the line graph to show us where we have our W patterns, and you can see we have our W pattern there. So this is a triple top. Alright, once we have our W pattern, all you have to do is just redraw and put it at the low. So this is the low. Price breaks out, pulls back, and gives us an engulfment at 2:30. So this is the entry. Your stops above the high. So around 15 pips is nice. And then a risk reward ratio of 1:2. So around 30 pips. And yeah, so price didn't reach the 30 pip mark, but that is how the setup looks like. We'll move on to the next example. So do we have a breakout? Oh yes, we do. So as usual, 2 a.m. to 11 to 5 p.m. Alright, and then this is the low of the day before this open. And then we don't have a breakout, so all these are pins. We have a breakout after 3. So we go to the 1 minute time frame. Remember, the breakout is at 3, so that is what we'll be looking at after 3. So after 3 we have this W pattern here, but we have no engulfment candle. Price continues breaking down. We have an engulfment candle at 334. Okay, so we are going long. We get stopped out. Yeah, we get stopped out, but that is how the game works. Move on to the next example. Do we have a breakout? Nope. A breakout. Yes, we do have a breakout. So we're starting there. Right, hopefully we will be able to scroll back. And here we are. So we already have the breakout, this being the low. So price continues breaking down, and then we have this W pattern here. So price goes down, goes up, goes down, and breaks structure up. So if you go to the line graph, you can see that is where we have the W pattern. So this W with a break in structure. After that, we look for a retest with an engulfment candle, and we have the retest and the engulfment candle at 231. The stops below, so that is around 5 pips. Risk reward ratio of 1:2, 10 pips in and out. So basically that is what the strategy is. We are just looking for breakouts and then look for reversals after those breakouts. Now, even if the strategy is 50% efficient, so even if you have a win rate of 50%, you will still be in profit. And the biggest advantage that you have now is that you have a process, you have a strategy that has been proven to work. All you need to do is just be agile, continue taking trades, and then observe patterns. Look for the patterns, look for how you can improve the trades over time. So yeah, do the back test yourself. If you got value from today's video, I have a free 5-day mentorship program. Links will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.